Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save your design as an MP4 file in Canva so you can export high-quality videos for social media, presentations, or marketing content. This format is perfect for smooth playback and easy sharing. Now, on your Canva dashboard, here is your video. If you want to save it as an MP4, all you have to do is click Share in the upper right corner. Once you see the download option, just click Download. For the file type, choose MP4 for high-quality video. Once you select the MP4 option, you can check the settings if you like, and then click Download. The file will now save to your computer as an MP4 video. That is how we save a design as an MP4 file in Canva. Just a few simple steps, and your video is ready to share anywhere.